Hello friends, welcome back. In this video we are going to see everything about roots and its calculation related. So first of all, let's see how many keys we are given directly for doing the root calculation. So here with the white text we are given the key for finding the root. Then we are given this with the yellow text for finding any numbers cube. Then we are having this key just above the cap again with the yellow text for finding any custom root of any number. So let's see its uses one by one. Suppose if I wanted to find the cube root of 8, then I have this direct key for finding the cube root. Then since it is in yellow text, I will activate by pressing shift, then this key, then inside the parenthesis I will write 8, then pressing equal. There we go, I got the answer 2. Now let's see the same thing with another key. Suppose again I wanted the cube root of 8, then what I will do, here you can see that it is written x and root. X is denoting any of the variable value which we want. Suppose if I wanted the cube root of any number, I mean 8, then I will write 3. This will set the value of our x as 3. Now activating this function, since it is in yellow text, again pressing shift, then this key, there we go, I got as 3 and root. Now I will write 8 inside the parenthesis, then pressing equal. There we go, again I got the answer 2. So this was the second way which we can use for finding the cube roots or any custom root. Suppose if I wanted to find the fourth root of 16, so again using this the same key, I will write 4, then this will set us the value of x as 4. Now activating this by shift, now I will write as 16, then I will press equal. There we go, again I got the answer 2. Now suppose if I want to find the square root of 16, so I will write this root, then 16, and then equal. There we go, we know that 16's root is 4. So this was all about using the roots function. If you are stuck with any of the problem related to the root, so you can use the scientific calculator in the more precise way now. So hope you learned something new. Meet you soon with the next tutorial. Till then, thank you.